Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on travel with Airbnb, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your travel budget. Research your destination to understand typical accommodation costs. Visit the Airbnb website or download the app to explore the platform. Create an account to gain access to all features and listings. Utilize the search function to enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests. Apply filters to narrow down your options based on your preferences, such as price range, type of accommodation, and amenities. Check the location of each listing to ensure it's convenient for your planned activities. Read descriptions and reviews thoroughly to gauge the quality and suitability of the property. Look for hosts with a high rating and plenty of positive reviews, as this often indicates reliability. Consider booking a private room instead of. If you're traveling with a group, look for homes that can accommodate multiple guests to share costs. Explore the Superhost section for listings by experienced and highly rated hosts. Take advantage of Airbnb's special offers or discounts for extended stays. If your travel dates are flexible, play around with different dates to find cheaper options. Look for listings that offer instant book to streamline the booking process. Contact hosts directly if you have any questions or requirements before booking. After selecting your preferred listing, review all fees to understand the total cost. Consider adding any additional services, such as airport transfers or local experiences, that might enhance your stay. Proceed to book your accommodation, ensuring you complete any extra details required. Keep an eye on your booking confirmation and familiarize yourself with the cancellation policy in case plans change. Once booked, communicate with your host regarding check-in details and any special arrangements. Prepare for your trip by mapping out nearby attractions and amenities. Lastly, enjoy your stay and take note of any feedback for future bookings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.